The world of cryptocurrencies is extremely harsh and unpredictable, but it appears that the moment that has been anticipated for a very long time is rapidly approaching. There is one fact that is being asserted without a shadow of a doubt by the most influential and precise authorities. The XRP, they are like a sleeping giant that will soon rise up, and I guarantee that what they reveal will cause you to think about things. In their opinion, Ripple's XRP will experience a 60,000% increase during the subsequent bull market. Despite the fact that the remark may have a very upbeat tone, it is founded on facts. Let's take a look at everything, because every single thing is even more incredible than you would believe it is. Now, without further ado, let's get to the topic without any further bullshit. Thank you very much. To begin, let's talk about the dreadful details. What an insane idea. XRP Ripple is a well-known participant in the world of blockchain technology, and Bitcoin, and every move that they make is keenly monitored. This is especially true when it comes to cryptocurrency. Despite the fact that they are still in court with the SEC, Ripple continues to make ripples in the industry. It is nothing short of significant that Fedwire has recently acquired the ability to use Ripple's products for the purpose of moving money across international borders. It is possible that some individuals still have concerns regarding the future of XRP Ripple. Nonetheless, occurrences such as these demonstrate how efficient and powerful the platform is. Despite the fact that they are dealing with legal issues, Ripple is continuously moving forward, cultivating relationships and making significant progress behind the scenes. The fact that large corporations that collaborate directly with Ripple are beginning to implement it in their projects may be difficult to believe for those who are skeptical. The fact that this took place demonstrates that Ripple's technology is not only real but also functional. When things are not going as planned, by utilizing Ripplenet, a distributed ledger technology DLT-based network developed by Ripple, Fedwire is able to move money across international borders. It discusses how quick and inexpensive Ripplenet is, which enables financial institutions all around the world to send money to one another without encountering any difficulties. Through the utilization of Ripplenet, the process of transferring money from one fiat currency to another is simplified, and XRP is utilized as a digital bridge currency to facilitate the connection of many nations. Over the course of the history of international financial transactions, the fact that Fedwire and Ripple are collaborating represents a significant advancement. Something like this is said by a well-known member of the XRP group. The fact that blockchain technology is increasingly being recognized as a viable means of accelerating and broadening the scope of global financial transactions is demonstrated by this. However, contrary to what many people may believe, this modification is of much greater significance. Not only does this demonstrate that Ripple's technology is gaining popularity, but it also demonstrates that blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies are gaining popularity in the traditional banking sector. There is even more bizarre information. For some time now, economists and financial professionals have been discussing the potential of the United States dollar disintegrating into its component parts. It has been reported that central banks all around the world are preparing for this to take place, which will have significant repercussions for the banking system on a multinational scale. This new era, which brings with it both challenges and opportunities, presents the possibility that a digital currency such as XRP Ripple might actually take off. In the event that the value of the United States dollar drops, or to a significant degree, there is a possibility that it will cause a domino effect in markets all around the world. It is possible that gold and other traditional safe haven assets will see an increase in demand. However, cryptocurrency, particularly ones with well-known applications such as XRP and Ripple, may become more popular and valuable in that short amount of time. The XRP Ripple's function as a bridge currency for international trading may become even more significant in the event that fiat currencies, such as the United States dollar, start to experience instability. When it comes to settling international transactions, financial institutions and central banks are looking for innovative ways to do it. It is possible that Ripple's technology is a viable option because it is discussed in a concise and understandable manner. In addition, the fact that cryptocurrencies such as XRP and Ripple are decentralized allows them to be less susceptible to the consequences of a drop in the value of the US dollar. The fact that cryptocurrencies are based on distributed ledger technology lowers their reliance on centralized control in comparison to fiat currencies, which are managed by governments and central banks. With regard to the rate at which XRP Ripple is priced, if there is a decline in the value of the United States dollar, there may be a surge of speculation that leads to an increase in demand, which in turn drives up the price of XRP. However, the long-term implications would be contingent on a number of factors, including the manner in which governments and regulatory organizations respond to the crisis and the extent to which it impacts the economy as a whole. However, for the time being, let's continue our discussion on the price of Ripple XRP and the increasing interest in it. Now, however, we come to the true subject. What is the consensus of everyone's thoughts? Does anyone have any concerns that are about to arise? Join us as we work through these puzzles and stay with us. This talk is quite fascinating and you won't want to miss it. The term Big Data Barbie's tweet provides a concise summary of the two distinct perspectives that are typically seen when purchasing XRP Ripple. However, there are many who believe that Ripple's technology has the ability to solve significant issues in the global financial system, which might mean resolving a problem that is worth many trillions of dollars. Ripple's technology has a large number of collaborations and a vast potential. From this perspective, the primary value proposition of XRP and a long-term objective are underlined as being very important. In point of fact, Ripple has collaborated with a large number of financial institutions and payment organizations all around the world in order to revolutionize the process of making international payments and transfers. Additionally, as a component of these agreements, they collaborate with financial institutions such as Santander and American Express, and they establish strategic alliances with companies such as MoneyGram. The formation of collaborations of this nature demonstrates that Ripple's products are gaining popularity and becoming more helpful. They also demonstrate that XRP has the potential to become an essential component of the financial system of the future. On the other side, there are some individuals who might invest in XRP without having a complete understanding of it, or simply because they are looking to make money quickly. As a result of this point of view, people frequently have hopes that are not realistic, and they are discouraged when the results of their short-term efforts do not correspond with their initial goals. It is essential to keep in mind that investing in any asset, including cryptocurrencies, requires a significant amount of time, additional study, and an in-depth understanding of the technology and market dynamics that underpin it. When all is said and done, investing in XRP or any cryptocurrency for that matter demands a prudent approach that takes into account both the potential for long-term value as well as the risks that are associated with the asset class. Yes, it does make perfect sense, doesn't it? It is a risky endeavor to invest with the intention of generating rapid income. Assuming that the price declines the next day, the individual will most likely sell everything and continue seeking for a way out of the situation. On the other side, a person who is knowledgeable about the environment will insist on keeping the asset until the very end, even if it means selling everything and giving up. But if we are being completely honest, the concept of generating money quickly is without a doubt enticing. Believe me when I say that there are a lot of remarks on the future of XRP Ripple that will surprise you. In addition, I will provide you with some examples. Prepare yourself to investigate one of these forecasts. You won't want to pass up the opportunity to acquire new knowledge when it presents itself. The most recent research conducted by crypto researcher Steve Courtney demonstrates that XRP is heading in the right path. Following the discovery by Courtney of a pattern that is strikingly similar to the ones that were observed in 2013 and 2017, XRP supporters and investors have expressed a positive outlook on the cryptocurrency. In the cryptocurrency market, historical trends have a tendency to repeat themselves, as we have seen in the past, adds Courtney. She also highlights how significant it may be that the price action of XRP is currently symmetrical. Despite the fact that XRP has experienced a significant decline since reaching its all-time high of 74 cents on March 11th, Courtney's study indicates that the cryptocurrency may be forming the shape of a symmetrical triangle, a pattern similar to the ones that were observed prior to the bull run in 2017. Considering that this pattern has lower highs and higher lows, it is possible that it indicates that a rise is likely to occur in the near future. The departure of XRP from a symmetrical triangle in March 2017 resulted in enormous profits of 58,431%. This is something that can be seen when looking back at how things have gone in the past. Courtney makes the statement, history has shown us the huge potential XRP when it breaks out of these formations. This demonstrates how these rallies have the potential to affect the value of the cryptocurrency in a significant way. We can observe that XRP has previously moved in a path that is comparable to this one if we examine the data in great detail. According to Courtney, there is a rationale for the possibility that the past may be repeated, which may have repercussions for the way that the price of XRP will fluctuate in the future. XRP might reach a stratospheric $352 if it were to repeat a similar surge from its present price of approximately 60 cents. This would be a significant increase. Given the significant amount of XRP that is now in circulation, it may appear to be difficult to achieve such a high value. It is clear that the market is experiencing a very optimistic sentiment as seen by the large transaction volume and continued interest in the coin. For this reason, it is essential to use caution whenever one is listening to prophecies of this nature. In spite of the fact that there is a possibility of a breakout, Courtney cautions purchasers to exercise caution and to take into consideration the larger context of the market as well as any potential issues that may arise.